Hi, let's talk about this wave pivot door. This is our wave pivot door design. The wave pivot door design is made up of a glass panel up on top. It's usually clear. This client went with our rain textured glass. This glass will provide privacy and still allow light to come in and out of the home. The bottom of our wave design is usually a textured glass with obscurement of some kind, metal, or wood. This particular door has walnut on the bottom panel. What makes this door really special is the side light. So the side light is an elaboration of the design on the main door. So this wave design that comes up through the door, it continues up through the side light, creates a lot of drama, as does the glass. The door is mostly glass with a little bit of wood, and the side light is mostly wood with a little bit of glass. So it's a very, very nice design, and it introduces a curve into what's normally a very linear home, as most modern homes are. The door also includes the wave pull. It's a big 4-foot pull, and this door pull is about this thick, and it's all very, very nicely detailed metal. This client provided their deadbolt. So the client sent in their deadbolt, and we prepped the door and installed the deadbolt. So this will match whatever it is that they have going on their home. If you'd like information on getting one of these breathtaking pivot doors for your home, please give us a call or fill out the contact form and we'll call you. Thank you.